Hello everybody. Technological progress is amazing. Look what I have found in a flyer from Princess Auto, Canadian equivalent to American Harbor Freight. This coming Tuesday, September 10th, you can buy at a discount price this welding helmet. And it is not an ordinary welding helmet. This one can work with or without gas. And it is capable of welding mild steel up to 1/4 inch thickness, 140 amps. We used to have transformer welders, then inverter technology, and now this. You just focus on the element to be welded, and a beam of, a laser, plasma, shoots from the mask and you are welding. With or without gas. Wow! I wonder what technology this is. If you know anything about this new invention, let me know in the comment section. It is only 30 Canadian dollars plus tax. No more expensive heavy equipment. I got to lay my hands on it. Running to the store this Tuesday.